amazing. Imagine a nice light lager with character. That's right, a lot of character. This kit allows you to brew it 3 different ways without adding anything from outside of the kit. What comes in the kit? Brice, top brand, Golden Light. 2 optional, that's right, you heard me, optional packets of corn sugar. That's right, 2. Your 15 IBU bittering hop. And then you have your noble hop, gives it a little flair. You have your RFID, so you don't even have to type anything in. You just swipe it, boom, you're ready, you hit go, you're brewing. This is a Belgian yeast. Yes, that's what really, really helps make a Belgian Saison or a farmhouse ale is the yeast. It brings in spices like pepper, it brings in phenols. Sometimes you can get different types of fruit and other flavors and aromas in there. It's just an amazing, amazing yeast. Plus, you could do a custom brew and you could adjust the temperature a little bit and it would actually change the way this comes out.